In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to configure ports on UniFi switches for separate voice and data VLANs. This allows you to run both your phones and computers off the same physical port. This setup prioritizes your voice traffic and provides much better network security. Here's our topology for this demo. I have a computer connecting to the back of a phone, and then the phone connects to port 3 on the switch. Port 3 right here. Because it's daisy chained, the computer to the phone to the port 3 on the switch, it shows port 3 in here. So I have 3 different VLANs in this network. I have VLAN 1, VLAN 20, and VLAN 19. So the voice VLAN subnet is 172.16.69.0/24. Then the default is the 192.168.0.0/24. So the phone uses the 172 right here. This is the IP for the phone. And then for the Linux box, it's using the 192. So I'm pinging it right here. 192.168.0.253. 172.16.69.114. In order for us to have that port serving 2 different VLANs and subnets, we need to create a port profile. To do this, we go to Settings, right here in Port Profiles. We currently have this voice-data profile. So we are going to create a new one. We'll name it voice-data 2. And then we'll assign this profile to port 4. So I hit create new. Just gonna put voice-data 2. The settings, here's the trick. So we're gonna pick custom. We're going to select VLANs. And we're gonna choose voice and save. So that's the trick here. The default is the VLAN, the native VLAN, 192.168. And then the voice VLAN is gonna be VLAN 19. Now we have to scroll down and pick manual here, because here's where we're gonna tell it to use that voice VLAN. So we scroll all the way down here and we pick voice VLAN. Select, pick voice, and then we save it. Now that it's saved, we are going to the UniFi devices. We pick the switch here and we open Port Manager. Port Manager, we're gonna pick port 4 here. We click in here and now we're going to assign the port profile we just created to this port here. So we toggle that on and then we pick the new one here and then apply it. And that's it. All we have to do is unplug the phone from port 3 to port and plug it into port 4 if we wanted to use the new port profile. But that's the trick. That's all there's to it. And that way you can assign that profile to other ports as well. So you can go to port 6, toggle that on, pick voice data 2 from the drop down, and apply changes. That's it. All right, so I went ahead and unplugged the network cable from port 3 here on the switch and plugged it into port 4. So now the phone and the Kali Linux box show port 4 here, connected to port 4. And they have the same IP, different port. 172.16.69.114 for the phone, different subnet. All right. Please like and subscribe and share this video if it's been helpful. Thank you for watching.